Let's unbox the new XGRIDS PortalCAM. Company I work for just bought this, and we're going to try it out on some construction projects. So let's go ahead and open this up, take a look at what's inside. It's not a huge box, it's not very heavy either. Alright, let's take a peek. Okay, nicely padded inside. Pop this up here. Box off to the side. Okay. There's a box itself, and it's still sealed. Just the first true spatial camera. So this is essentially a handheld LiDAR, and so we've been using these 360 cameras. This is an Osmo 360, 8K throughout the entire sphere. But there's no LiDAR information here. No measurement, effectively nothing to be able to measure with. So, or no measurement data. So this incorporates a technology called Gaussian Splatting, and so that's what we're gonna utilize here on our construction project. So this is I got my bulldog at the door, of course. I'm trying to do this, but that's okay. And this is, let me flip it around that way you can see it. It's actually a pretty handy small case. It's not too large. It's actually not too heavy either. So let's open this up, see what's inside. Actually, it's from the photographs, the camera actually looks a bit smaller than I was expecting, so that's good to hear. So here's the camera itself. Let's see if I can get this out. There we go. Has a nice silicone case on it. And again, it's actually not very heavy either. We actually got the larger kit. It's got two batteries with it. They say they run about 45 minutes to an hour. Comes with a 2 USB-C wall charger, some different cables, and so I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up here in a separate video. But yeah, actually there's some good goodies here. There's the magnetic mount for it. Actually goes onto the camera itself. There's a ring in case you don't have an iPhone or something that's like a MagSafe type case. They give you a ring to put on your device. So I've watched a few videos about this. But it's really nice. It comes in a nice case. There's a shoulder strap in here as well. So here, let's slide the silicone case off. And there we go. There's actually the device there. See it from that angle too. Yeah, it's actually really light. I'm surprised it's so light. I expected it to be a lot heavier. I guess when you pop a battery in, it'll get a little bit heavier too. So some different shots, some different angles. But I'll shoot some. It's another video about as I start to get it set up and start doing the first few scans and see how they turn out. So thanks for watching this with me, and I'll see you on the next video.